Save a generated PIL image into an image field in Django. I am using code to generate code. When a ticket is bought, or when bought is true, I would like to generate a code image and make some changes using PIL. Finally, save the modified canvas into the image field of the model. But this throws an error. Attribute error, image object has no attribute _ committed. How can I save a generated PIL image into an image field in Django?
You can use a Byteo to save the PIL file to an in-memory blob. Then create a file object and pass that to your model instance ImageField's save method. Check out the Django documentation for the file object. This URL. You have to use save equals false, since the default save equals true means that the parent model's save method would be called after the image is saved. You don't want recursion here, since you would typically end up in an infinite loop.
Change your code and use Django file as below. You can save canvas on the media_root and upload_ to path, or in temporary directory, or use Byteo object.
Beethoven 0, please consider that 20.